The dishwasher in your kitchen is obviously designed to clean, but the unit itself needs to be cleaned periodically. Stuck-on food will accumulate on the interior, and loose food will gather in the filter. Start by filling your sink halfway with warm water and add about 2 cups of vinegar. Remove the utensil holder and racks and place them in the sink. This solution will help loosen any stuck-on food. Inspect the spinning arms and check that the holes aren't blocked by caked-on food. This will restrict the water flow. Any blockages can be cleared using a toothpick. Using the vinegar solution, wipe down the interior of the dishwasher with a sponge or rag. Then move on to the edges of the doors along with the gaskets. If possible, peel back the gasket to get at any food that has collected. Then remove and soak the filter that's located on the bottom of the dishwasher. Some dishwashers will require tools to access the filter. Once the parts have soaked for 20 to 30 minutes, rinse them and place them back into the unit. Place a cup of white vinegar in the otherwise empty dishwasher and set the dishwasher for its highest water temperature setting. And run it for a full cycle to get rid of any odors. If your kitchen features stainless steel appliances, it's best to clean the exterior with a product specially formulated for this purpose for best results. Periodically deep cleaning and deodorizing your dishwasher will keep it performing at its best and ensure your dishes and eating utensils stay clean and sanitary. For more detailed information about this and many other projects, check out the DIY Projects and Ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our store associates.